Hello? What? You want more protein recipes? Okay, all right, I got you. What? You want to talk to Drago? Oh, they're talking to you. Hello? Protein? Protein? Okay, all right, I got you. And welcome. All right, another recipe for you guys today. We're gonna make one of my favorite recipes, which is blueberry pancakes, protein blueberry pancakes. All right, so we have the ingredients right here, so get ready. All right, let's go. Beautiful came out. Professional chef. All right, guys, I hope you like this recipe. This is one of many that I'm going to be putting up. Also, I have a link to about 52 recipes, protein recipes, different ones. We have a sale coming up for November. All right, so click on the link if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe for more workouts, recipes. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. All right.